Leonard Automatics is proud to present the ProFinisher Garment Form Finisher, the most efficient and productive method to finish knit garments. The ProFinisher is loaded by 1 or 2 people, with a third placed near the entrance to straighten and inspect the garments. Garments then pass through the steam section, where the steam is carefully and exactly placed to maximize the relaxing effect on the fibers. At this point, the garment indexes forward and rotates 90 degrees, allowing the forms to stack up in the heat section for maximum drying and conditioning by preheated air. This also allows the machine's footprint to be smaller by as much as 9 meters, allowing better use of your valuable production floor area. The finished product then proceeds to the cool-down area, again rotating 90 degrees so that the back of the garment faces the operator as it exits the machine. This allows the operator to simply lift the garment free and place it onto a table or feed bed of a separate folder. Nothing could be easier. The ProFinisher features many easily sized forms to cover many ranges of garment styles and sizes. The adjustable forms are quickly exchangeable for lot size changes from men's XXL to ladies' small. Forms may be constructed to meet your specific needs and based on your garment styles. Each form allows for quick and easy size adjustments, even while in motion. Sizes are clearly marked on each frame, allowing for unsurpassed accuracy in garment shape and form. The ProFinisher includes 26 garment forms per machine, giving you a compact design with a large output capacity. The ProFinisher features an industrial-strength bottom-driven conveyor with extreme-duty carts which will last for many years to come. It has automatic tensioners that keep maintenance to a minimum, along with a PLC-controlled lubrication system designed to ease maintenance and increase longevity. Leonard Automatics uses touchscreen technology with a simple graphical display, which makes recipe selection fast and simple. All panels are secured with safety devices to prevent unauthorized access. The heating section is easily accessible for cleaning and maintenance. To minimize maintenance, filter screens are easily accessible. They're constructed of a small stainless steel mesh material. Leonard Automatics builds the ProFinisher with world-class PLC equipment inverters and motor starters. The equipment is industrial grade, easily serviced, and assures many years of trouble-free production. More than 4 decades ago, Leonard Automatics transformed the industry with the original and now iconic ProFinisher. And today, the new, reimagined ProFinisher Garment Form Finisher is ready to transform your business into the future.